All right, good morning, everybody. My name is Justin. Most people call me GDT. Welcome back to another live trading video here on the channel. I'm working on a few things, including overall sound, overall video quality. So you may hear or see some adjustments along the way coming up. Let me know what you guys think about those going forward. Today, my first trading day of the week of what's hopefully going to be a full trading week. And you'll see why coming up in this video. Let's go, let's trade. All right, so my trade today was here on SE. SE was the trade today. You can see it hitting on the scanner right to the right of my webcam up here. I'm going to go ahead and get started on a short here, 100 shares short at 73.40. So making a pretty nice move off of the open. It was up overall before that, but I liked the potential here for a nice little pullback, maybe down towards 72.50 or so. So I'm in here short for a starter, only 100 shares at 73.40. And I'm going to wait and see what it does. So kind of planning on doing the ads here in 1 point increments. So would need 74.40-ish for the ad here if I was going to get that. And that was kind of the plan I was thinking of. So at least need a nice move down back through 73 if I'm going to be looking at taking any covers on this first 100 shares that I have here on SE. So just kind of watching it here, seeing what it does. You can see it's moving back and forth a little bit from my entry. Came down to about 73 and then started coming back up a little bit. So in here, and then all of a sudden, if you look, all of a sudden my data stops. What's happening? What's happening? Why is nothing moving? Has the stock market died? Nope. My internet company is the worst company on the face of the planet. If you watch in the lower right hand corner of the screen, you're going to see a little notification pop up there showing that I lost my internet connection twice. And that unfortunately kind of became the story of my day. It went in and out constantly like this throughout the morning, not like something huge. You're going to see it's going to come back here. So, 30 seconds to a minute there without internet, but that's a ton of time when you're actively day trading. That is not something that you want to be dealing with. So, I'm already angry, pissed off, frustrated at this point in the day. I hate my internet company so much, but I'm still having to actively manage this trade. So I come back out of my internet halt, and we're starting to make the move up towards that 74.50 area that I talked about here. So I go ahead and get an order ready up here towards 74.50. I put it out there, and I get a fill up towards 74.50. So now I have 200 shares short at an average of 73.89. So in 200 shares short here on SE, average of 73.89. I'm a little bit worried because of my internet at this point. So I'm kind of trying to figure out what I want to do. What am I going to do with this trade? But the trade itself still looks pretty good here. It got a little mini micro pullback after my first entry, but nothing that would have given me the indication that I wanted to get out of this trade at all. So this is now I'm just following along with my plan, and I'm in a little bit bigger size. Hopefully can make a little bit bigger money. And, if we get that nice big move up towards 75.50 would be the spot for the final ad, according to how I decided to do my ads and my plan on this trade here on SE. So feeling pretty good here overall, but we just got to wait and see what happens. It does start moving up towards 75 here, moving up towards 75. I'm like, okay, let's see what it does at 75. 75 is kind of a big whole dollar number there, so it could be interesting to see what it does there at 75. And then, unfortunately, I went through another internet outage. A couple minutes goes by, I cut that one out this time, and I'm back, and it's come back down a little bit, and at this point, I'm like, man, this is really getting annoying. I'm worried about my internet, so we'll see what it does. It made a previous little support on this dip around 73.80, so I'm like, okay, if I see a nice move through 73.80, that's a good sign it's coming back down. But if it makes a little false break through 73.80 here, it's probably time just to get out of this one and call it a day. So it comes down here, it's through, but it's not really pushing through. It comes right back up. I just take it there at 73.80. I'm like, screw this, screw my internet. I'm getting out of this trade before I lose internet and it goes ripping against me. So all out there for $22 on SE. And after that, I decided it was not worth trading anymore on the day with how my internet was going in and out constantly. And it did. It went in and out all morning. I did sit here. I did watch the market, but it just kept going in and out and in and out. And it was super, super frustrating. Leave it to Breeze Line to come and apparently clear some noise on the lines. So it's been working pretty well nonstop for about 6 months or so with no problems. So you know what we need to do? We need to come jack that all up and screw it up. So I hate them so much. Hopefully it'll be fixed today and back to normal tomorrow. So that's kind of where I'm at for this week. We'll see how the internet goes. I hope it goes well, but I'm not sure. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day today, and I'll see you next time.